Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 18th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir Stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir closed down 28 cents, 2.97%, closed at 9.15. Post-market, we are down by 3 cents. So, well, we are continuing our little descent. We had 4 or 5 days where we were hanging on the edge of the cliff with our nails. The stock was really trying to hold on there, almost fell right here on August 16, but then pulled itself back up. But now it has just lost its grip and now it's falling. It's falling. We aren't it yet at $9, but we seem to be going in that direction. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So first hour of the day opened sideways, fell down, then stayed a little bit there, then fell down again. Nothing special here. And we are having a little bit of a pullback towards the end of the day. Nothing too interesting there. Coming back on the daily chart, everything is plunging. So stochastic is at 5, which is extremely low, no power in that stock. MACD, the two lines crossed over, bearish, August 8. And now we have the green line that's becoming negative. There's a zero line right here. And we have the green line that has become a negative. So we don't have the two lines above zero. So we give it a red thumb down. So in terms of the indicators, everything is all sad, but we still have $9 to hold us up if this is possible. We could also do something like this. So this is the slope of the descent that we are in. And let me go see the 1 hour chart. I think we had, yes, we are still in this downward channel. So we are still respecting that. This is what we have right now. This is pretty steep. I'm going to say it right now. This is pretty steep. If it's steeper than a 45-degree angle, it should not last a long time. So I think that we might be slowing our descent a little bit. So maybe we are going to stop at $9. Let's see. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.